Bit wet?
Legit, I puddle in my shoe.
God, just a little bit wet. So we've come to the Rainforest Cafe. As usual, we kind of go to the same places, although we're trying new places
We
out.
try and do them in like different
Did we
orders.
go somewhere new today? No, we didn't. Delhi House Market thing, whatever it was.
We just sat in a different cafe because they sent us into a different one for seating.
Yeah. Well, we've come here and we've ordered drinks and food. I've got my natural pasta. Amy's getting a curry. Something different.
Something new. It did sound good, so.
Yeah. It absolutely chugged it in the rain. I don't know if you could see it in the footage, but it was absolutely like hammering down the rain.
Poured, but it wasn't like heavy rain.
It was
like
just
misty,
really horrible rain that just gets you soaking wet. But yeah, we're looking forward to sit down. Probably gonna go to the hotel after this to like kind of dry up.
I need to change my shoes. I literally have pedals in my shoes.
Yeah, so do I. My boots are suede and half of them are soaking wet and the top half is normal colour. Yeah, we'll go back and
straighten ourselves out
and then come back out for dreams. Woo! Exciting times. We're in a different area as well today.
Yeah. We're kind of over near the fountain here. I've never actually been over this side.
Yeah.
I might go to the photo of the fountain.
Okay.
I'm off.
I've sat in this area before when I was little with my parents. I can remember. Food's arrived. Got my pasta here, looks very nice. And Amy has got
Chicken and shrimp curry.
ooh, lovely.
Smells good.
Oh, where's the thunder part? I'm not too excited.
We're having lightning.
No. Oh. Okay, mine then. So irritating. I was trying to film the lightning and as soon as it started lightning, I put the camera down and it was thundering and then it started thundering as soon as I put the camera down. We've come back to the hotel because it's pissing down rain, we're cold and we just wanted to dry off, didn't we?
My feet are wrinkly.
They're like little prunes, so am I. Our feet are soaked. Thank God we brought like 3 pairs of shoes each. That's good, isn't it? Anyway, so we bought these for like dessert. Oh, they look so good.
That one's mine. That one's Frankie.
Yeah, I mean, I would have got one of those, but it's got marshmallows on and I can't eat those.
We'll have to see if I can take, if the marshmallows come off, you can always get another one, can't you?
Yeah, no, but what's the point? Because I can't eat the marshmallows. There's no point in paying an extra €3 just to have a Mickey Mouse shaped one. Anywho.
What did
Okay, that was so attractive. Oh, it's pink. I want you to bite a bit of the apple.
I can't fucking get to the apple. I was going to make a 5-minute video of eating an apple.
Get to it. What's a satisfying sound? Oh, is it nice? Is the apple mushy?
Soft, but like not
horrible. Okay, cool. I'll try mine in a bit.
Actually, chocolate and apple.
Oh, okay, good, good.
So we're on our way back to the park, ready to watch dreams for the first time for this trip.
A hyper moment in the hotel.
Yes, I think it was a combination of fizzy drinks and sugar. We just went a bit loopy.
Those of you that follow Amy's Snapchat,
You'll see. But we're getting ready to go into dreams. We're on the bus right now.
Yeah. It's good service. This is probably the longest we've had to wait for this too.
Yeah.
But it is late at night, so they run fast.
Yeah. I think it's like every 12 minutes that they run. I think that's what it is. I mean, it depends. If you get there, like if you get there early, obviously you're not going to get it. But if you get the time right, it's great. But yeah, into the park we go.
About to head back into the park, trying to watch where I step because this floor is really slippery. I don't want to fall on my ass. God. Now I've said that, it's going to happen, isn't it? Anywho, I'm looking forward to watching dreams. Amy and I have just casually been singing Son of Man in the toilets. Giving everyone a free concert, aren't we?
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Oh, you can't really see you. Shine a light on her. Hello.
You see me now?
Yeah. Are you excited to see Dreams?
Yes.
First time holiday?
Yes.
Dreams, it's very good. We watched it further back this time.
Lasers were really
Yeah, they
good
look so
tonight.
good.
I think it's because it was clear, the rain stopped.
Yeah, it didn't rain at all, which was amazing.
You could really see the effect of them, which was really good.
Really good. Very glad that we saw that. And it's not too cold either, so that's nice. Now we're just going to be heading back to the hotel room so that we can call people at home.
Yes.
Catch up with them tonight.